Welcome to Chemistry Trap series, wherein magsasagot tayo ng questions na most likely, mali yung sagot mo.
Given the reactions Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus and Fe2 plus to Fe, paano natin i-compute yung standard reduction potential ng Fe3 plus to Fe? So kung ang gagawin mo ay ipag-add yung dalawang ENOT values, mali. Ang standard reduction potential or ENOT ay intensive property or it does not depend on the amount of substance present. For intensive properties, they are not additive. Pero, we have Gibbs free energy or delta G. Since it is a state function, additive yung delta G. And pwede nating i-relate yung E0 tsaka delta G using this equation. To better visualize the process, pinakita ko dito yung Latimer diagram ng Fe3 plus to Fe conversion. And since state function ang delta G, ibig sabihin yung delta G ng whole process or yung Fe3 plus to Fe ay summation lang ng delta G1 and delta G2. Ngayon, ang kailangan natin ay yung E0 3. Need muna natin i-compute yung delta G ng bawat process. Pero mahaba yun gawin. Since sa delta G equation, yung F doon ay Faraday's constant which is a constant, pwede na natin siyang i-cancel doon sa equation. Ang simplified equation ay N1E1 plus N2E2 over N1 plus N2. N1 ay 1 electron from Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus times yung E0 ng first reaction, 0.77 volts, plus 2 electrons dahil Fe2 plus to Fe times negative 0.44 volts, yung E0 ng reaction 2, all over total electron from Fe3 plus to Fe. That is equal to negative 0.04 volts.